What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Gmail account password. First, open your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to gmail.com in your web browser and signing in if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, head to the top right corner of the screen where you see your profile icon. This is usually either your Google account picture or your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will open a new page where you can control various aspects of your Google account, including security settings. Once you're on the Google Account Management page, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Security tab. This is where all the security-related options for your account are located. Scroll down until you find the section called How you sign into Google. In this section, you see an option labeled Password. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Google will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password. This step is important to make sure that the only account owner can change the password. Enter your current password and click Next to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's something strong and secure. It's best to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Once you've entered your new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Double-check to ensure both passwords match. Finally, after you've confirmed your new password, click on the Change Password button. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail password. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.